Would you like to prevent stealing? You might not be happy with lost. Well, guess what? This project is here to help. What is it? How I do it? So why waiting? Showtime now! This is Orange's Arduino security alarm. Let's start!
Hello, I'm Orange. It's my Arduino ultrasonic security alarm. There will be one light and a buzzer for alarming, one ultrasonic sensor for measuring distance. This project is made for protecting thieves and preventing your things from being stolen. When someone comes close to your stuff less than 5 centimeters, this alarm will work immediately. After attending Dialogue in the Dark, I found the blind really need sound to remind them and keep them safe, which is the reason why I want to build a project related to sound and light. Furthermore, I hope its cute appearance and easy interaction can arouse children's interests and contribute help to them.